Hey friends, today we're going to be doing a really quick, easy tutorial, and that is to reset the Fitbit charge. Now this is just a simple reset, meaning we're just going to reboot the watch. There's also a factory reset that you can do. I'll do that in another tutorial. I'm going to put that in a link in the description box below. This one we're simply going to do, like I said, is that quick reboot. What you're going to need is your Fitbit Charge 2, your charging cable, and then a computer with a USB enabled device in order to plug that into. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that we're going to do is actually just put the Fitbit charge into its charging cradle. And I'm sure, again, if you have one of these, you know what to do. Basically, you line up the charging port with the charging port on your Fitbit watch. That's going to snap right in. You can see it just kind of cradles it like that. We're going to put that off to the side, and we're actually going to plug our USB, the other side of the charging unit here, into one of our ports. I'll stick that in right there, and there we're good. Okay, once you have that, you can see the battery icon was on there for a second, so it is charging. What we're going to do now is actually just hold down the button on the side here for 10 to 12 seconds. And basically we're going to wait to see the Fitbit icon come on the screen here. So I'm going to press and hold. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You saw the version number come up there really quick. I'm going to release, and then I'm going to unplug from the charging cable here. So as you can see, it says I'm ready to roll. And that's it. Again, if you have any specific problems with your Fitbit, like it won't sync, maybe you're having a stuck screen, try that soft reboot first, just like that, and hold for 10 to 12 seconds. Give it that soft reset, and hopefully that clears up your problems there. I'm actually going to now do a hard reset, meaning we're going to wipe the entire thing, put it back to factory defaults. That would be the second way to try reset if for some reason this one didn't work. Again, I'll put that video in the description box below. Thanks for watching, friends. Stay tuned. We got a lot more tips, tricks, and tutorial videos coming up. Hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you again next time.